Hello, my name is Emma. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. I feel happy and ready for a new day. First, I make my bed because I like my room to be clean and tidy. Next, I brush my teeth. Clean teeth help me stay healthy. Then, I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel fresh. After that, I take a warm shower before getting ready for work. I put on my office clothes. I am going to work. I comb my hair and put on a little makeup. Now I'm ready. I prepare my breakfast. Today I'm eating eggs, toast, and drinking a cup of coffee. I always eat breakfast because it gives me energy. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. I pack my lunch so I can eat healthy food at work. I check my bag. I have my phone, wallet, keys, and laptop. It's time to go to work. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to work every morning. I arrive at my office at 8 o'clock. I say good morning to my coworkers. I check my emails and work on my projects. Sometimes I attend meetings with my team. At lunchtime, I eat my lunch and chat with my friends. My work is finished. I say goodbye to everyone. I take the bus home after work. I cook dinner because I enjoy eating healthy meals. I enjoy my dinner. In the evening, I like to read a good book. Before I sleep, I brush my teeth again. I say a short prayer and thank God for my day. Now it's time to sleep. Good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching my daily routine. Now it's your turn. Share yours in the comment section.